Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right now I'm taking a look to see what's in the box of the Vont headband headlights. So these are really something great to have if you're doing projects or fishing and you need a headlight. You just strap it to your head and you're good to go. You can see my review of that clicking the link in this video. But in the box, this one comes with a pack of 2 of them. So you can see how they just come in this nice little box. And then you get 2 of these. Idea of what they look like. And they take 3 AAA batteries, but really great. And you can adjust the position of them. And then if I want to do that, show you on. Get an idea of what they do. They do not include the batteries in the box, but you can always add your own, of course, and they are also easily resizable or adjustable to fit your head comfortably with an elastic strap. So that's what comes in the Vont Spark LED headlamp. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.